Back to working on the 57. We got the dashboard we're working on here. We had that hurricane that come through here, and we were without power for about 30 hours. And then just cleaning debris and everything else. It's a mess, but we didn't get it near as bad as Western North Carolina. My heart goes out to those folks, but here we are working on the 57, and this is where the dash, I'm joining the dash into where the old dash was. This is the old, and then this is the new. And so, and then it didn't quite fit right, so I had to do a little pie cut here. I'm doing this the spot and look away method. I really don't like that, never have, but it's really hard to get my helmet in here to see, so it's kind of nasty looking, but I think it'll hold. I'm glad to finally get this dashboard in. It's pretty solid now. It's not too loose. So, but that's how it goes on doing one of these, you know. And then you have the weld-in point up here, and that has some kind of funky braze or something in it, and so get a bit of oddness there also. So, but moving forward, gotta fix this hole.